Yo, what's good? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets, take a trade, and then obviously I'm gonna teach it to you so you can do this every single day. Super simple scalping strategy. Enough talking, let's get into the markets. Let's go. Alrighty. I just bought the markets on NASDAQ. I'm looking for the price to go up. We got this amazing respect off of this order block right here. Let's go. We stop us above the fair value gap that we had. I'm gonna target 1 to 2 reshort ratio. Let's go. And all right, so man, I just closed the position. We got this amazing respect of the new order block right here that we created. Continuation of the trend. All right, that's a quick trade, and let me do a recap so you can actually learn from this one and do it yourself maybe tomorrow. And yeah, man, this is a very simple trade. Essentially, we're at all-time highs, meaning that I'm going to risk less. Okay, so let me show you exactly what happens. First of all, everything is bullish because since we're about to hit all-time highs, everything is bullish. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame, look at this. I'm going to show you something what happened. We swept this low right here, and also we got this immediate reaction. Candle rejected from it. Buyers are entering the markets, and also we got this fair value gap right here that also got tapped into in the 1 hour time frame, and also it got respected. How do we know that it's getting respected? By the reaction of it. Some people just enter immediately as it gets tapped into. That is bad because we don't know are the buyers entering the markets. We know that by seeing this rejection of the candlestick, right? It's right there, the wick is there, and then we push up. If we go to the 15 time frame, we can literally see that take out the fair value gap, we push up rapidly. Buyers are entering the markets. Just everything is bullish, literally everything is bullish. And I go to 1 minute time frame, session opens at 9:30. I would have bought it from here if we would have broken above this, but it just wanted to bump here, take out this buy side liquidity. I wanted to wait a little bit since it's liquidity, but the trend is super strong, meaning that there's huge probability that this trend will outweigh this liquidity, meaning that it's not gonna reverse. It's not gonna reverse, but I'm gonna wait patiently. We have this order block. We had this fair value gap. What happens is that we disrespect this fair value gap right here in the middle, but we tap into the mini order block right here. And as soon as that happened, we just go up, meaning that that order block had a lot of orders in it. By the reaction of this order block, I bought around here when we saw this rejection candlestick. This is the rejection candlestick, okay? And then I just bought it. Since it's an all-time high, I'm gonna risk less. And nothing crazy though. And usually when it's an all-time highs, there's no liquidity. There's no liquidity to grab onto. So I'm gonna target around 1 to 2. And yeah, man, that's just because the trend is super strong. Okay, the trend outweighs the liquidity, so we can just follow the trend. Simple as that, guys. Yo, and there you have it, $1,000. If you want to learn fast, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free course. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, man, thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.